Hi, I'm Adrian from SOZU Media, and behind the camera at the moment is Simon from SOZU Media. In this video we're going to go over some of the roles and functions involved in a film shoot to help you better prepare for being on camera. The cameraman's job is to get you looking really good on camera, and probably standing next to the camera guy is going to be a director. Their job is to get an excellent performance out of you, so they will help you such as your delivery, posture, stance, how to enhance your performance. It's really important to get a good relationship between the director and you going for the best possible performance. Talking sound, there's a few options. There might be a boom pole with a mic on the end that produces a high quality sound. Another option that may be used is the traditional lapel mic, which obviously is a little mic that goes on your lapel. So for outside filming, we use a diffuser to soften the light on your face, and then we use a reflector to bring the light back into your face, basically to make you look good on camera, help back your pop. In regards to script, that should be all ready to go on the day. So in delivering your script, you may have already familiarized yourself with it, even memorized it, and be quite confident in delivering it. The other option is using the auto cue where you're reading off the screen. In regards to delivering the script, if there's words or phrases you're not actually happy with or you feel uncomfortable saying, don't be afraid to put your hand up and say, I feel like we need to change this to get a better delivery. If you've got any questions about the filming process or developing your own promotional video, contact us at our website sozu.co.nz. That's sozu.co.nz.